I just wish.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Sophie, and I'm back with a hair tutorial. Anyways, if you've been loving my hair and you'd like to know how I came about this look, then you should go ahead and watch the video. Let's get straight into it.
So first off, you're going to comb out or basically detangle your hair. A lot of people advise that you do so with moisture, but I don't like to style my hair when it's wet, so do what pleases you guys. Then we'll go ahead to make medium partitions in our hair. Guys, we're going to be using rubber bands for this styling, so we don't want exactly small parts. I'm packing out my loose hair right now because I don't want any stubborn strands. My first line will be going as braids, so I'm just weaving it in right now. This is what it looks like, guys. Make another line just about the same size as the first one. And oh guys, don't forget to moisturize your lines. Today I'll be using my petroleum jelly. Don't forget to moisturize your edges. Using rubber bands is cute and all, but what it does to your edges, divide your partition by half by cutting a vertical line through it. Here comes the rubber bands. Give your hair a minor twist and then hold it down with your rubber bands. For amazing quality, you kinda need it a bit tight, so just give it a little pull and you'll be fine. Time to merge both halves. Gently twist the ends of each half. Again, bind them with a rubber band. Repeat the same action until you've exhausted all the hair at the front. This is what it should look like when you're done. Yours could look better, but like, oh my god, that is so cute. With this step achieved, you can decide to style your hair in whatever. A low pony, a high fro, a free fro. Today I'll be going with a high fro. Going in with a teeny bit of moisture because I don't want it to look tacky at the back. I hope I'm not the only one who uses shoelaces to tie my hair. Okay, just watch how I tie my high fro. Now look at that, who's cute? Oh my days. I'm finessing, damn girl.
So guys, this is the end product. This is what I was able to achieve. It's giving everything. It's giving literally everything it's supposed to give. I'm loving this hair and I think you should try it. I mean, don't sleep on it. Just go ahead and try this look. When you do that, take cute pictures and tag me on Instagram at StewSophie. Thank you for watching this video. I love you so much. Bye.